The more you expose your life to the public, the more people will find ways to bring you down. It's a natural sociological phenomenon. There is great power in stepping back, working in the shadows, becoming unreachable, and fully dedicating yourself to evolving into your next version. Doing this in secrecy can be thrilling, because when you finally return, your transformation will shock the world. The ironic part? By then, you won't even care, because in the shadows, you'll have learned that the only opinion that truly matters is your own. Now, let's talk about how to do this the right way. I'm going to break it down into 3 key parts for you. First, how to disappear. Second, what to do while you're in the shadows. And third, how to make your comeback. And if you mess up any part of this, especially the last, you'll regret it. Let's dive in. How do we disappear the right way? Number 1, shut your mouth. Your words betray you more than you realize. If you want to disappear the right way, you must take control of what you say. From now on, you will no longer openly discuss your life with anyone. No exceptions for family, friends, or coworkers. The only person you might confide in is your life partner, but only if they genuinely support your success. Hopefully, the answer to that is yes. This won't be easy. Controlling your speech takes time because our instinct is to share information. It's wired into us for survival. But to truly disappear, you must fight this impulse. Train yourself to catch thoughts before they turn into words. Embrace being a mystery. And only then will you be able to move unnoticed in the shadows. Number 2, care only about your own opinion. Other people's opinions no longer matter. If you want to disappear and stay hidden, you must rewire your mind. Stop caring about what others think. The truth is, they don't actually care about you. The real issue is that you believe they do, and that belief controls many of your actions. You need to eliminate the part of you that seeks their approval. Instead, create a version of yourself in your mind, an ideal version. That's the only person whose opinion should matter. Would you be proud of yourself? Would you be happy with your choices? We're naturally wired to seek external validation, so hack the system. Become both the observer and the observed. When you do this, you'll stop being a puppet of others and start taking real control of your life. This isn't easy. It takes time, effort, and repetition. If you've mastered this mindset shift, share your experience in the comments and explain how you did it. Number 3, keep your plans to yourself. As you embark on this journey, you'll develop big, ambitious plans. The excitement will tempt you to share them with those around you. Don't do it. Guard your plans like they are the keys to your treasure. A useful mindset shift is to imagine that every time you reveal a part of your plan, your chances of success drop by 5%. Every word you speak about your goals diminishes their power. When you share, you may feel momentary satisfaction, but in reality, you're only weakening yourself. Instead, be strategic. If you need advice or expertise, be surgical in your approach. Find the right person, share only what's necessary, gather the knowledge you need, and disappear again. Move in silence and your success will be unstoppable. Number 4, keep your progress hidden. Progress will come. It may take time, but you'll notice that growth happens faster when you remain unseen. However, resist the urge to show it off. Don't flaunt your improved physique, your financial gains, or your newly acquired skills. Stay focused on evolving even further. Disappearing only works if you commit to the entire transformation. If you return too soon, if you seek validation before you're truly ready, you risk undoing everything. You'll find yourself back at square one. The urge to share your progress will be strong. Instead of giving in, channel that energy into pushing yourself even harder. Use the excitement of change as fuel to propel you forward. This is about leveling up step by step without distractions. Number 5, keep your struggles private. This path won't be easy. Whether you call it ghost mode, monk mode, or beast mode, one thing is certain: you'll suffer in silence. You'll face setbacks, feel exhausted, and endure moments of deep frustration. Your instinct will be to seek comfort, to vent to a friend or turn to family for support. But here's the truth. You must endure it alone. No complaints, no seeking sympathy. When you hit a wall, scream into the wind, wipe away the tears, and patch yourself up. Pain is the price of transformation. Every struggle, every rock-bottom moment is an opportunity to catapult yourself to a higher level. Welcome the pain. Look forward to it. Let it forge the strongest version of you. Step 1. Define your targets. What exactly do you want to transform? The process itself is simple, but you need a clear vision of what you're striving for. Be specific. Do you want to become unrecognizably fit? Build a business that prints money? Whatever your goal, define it with absolute clarity. Write it down. Place it somewhere visible, somewhere only you can see. Step 2. Structure your life around success. Every waking moment should be geared toward your transformation. Become obsessed. Treat this as your one shot in life. Every action you take must be intentional and contribute to your success. Move closer to a gym or training center that aligns with your goals. Enroll in a course that teaches you the skills you need. Structure your days to dedicate focused time to your transformation. Set aside time to review, update, and refine your plan. Break your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Do whatever it takes. Step 3. Rewire your mindset. True happiness comes from relentless progress. You must love this process of disappearing. Learn to enjoy the grind, the solitude, and the unseen victories. At first, it will feel unnatural, but over time, you'll begin to crave the challenge and embrace the mindset shift. This mental reprogramming is key to your transformation. Welcome it fully. When your transformation is complete, you could reappear, but something fascinating will happen. You won't need to. If you do this right, the desire to be seen will fade. You will have become one with the shadows. Your life will have evolved beyond what you ever imagined. And instead of seeking validation, you'll remain focused, continuously crushing bigger and better goals. In the end, you'll realize something profound. You found peace in the shadows. And this new life, it's far greater than the one you left behind.